So we're at Wingman, got the whole crew. Good to see you guys again. Welcome back.
We got two cars.
Yeah.
Like I said, platforms we've never done before.
Yeah.
One of them is front engine, big V6 rear wheel drive. The other is all wheel drive, 4-cylinder turbo. Vote for the community car build for 2026. Got two options, the G or the XT.
All right, so we are here all the way at Wingman Garage. Apparently you guys voted on what you wanted. I don't know which one it is yet. Aaron's gonna tell me when I get in. Let's go check it out. This is it. This is what they picked.
This, you crazy, crazy people
Wild.
chose the XT. I mean, let's be honest, all-wheel drive, turbo, so many aftermarket options. We can bring some more power out of it, make it sound really good. We can drop it, we can drop it, we can hire it, we can do whatever we want.
The possibilities are endless.
It's got choo-choo noises.
Yeah.
You know?
Turbo noises, first turbo build at Wingman. That's why they picked it.
Pretty-
That's why they picked it.
it.
That's
You turbo lovers.
It's the choo-choo noises.
Yeah. Hey, good pick, guys.
Yeah.
Good pick.
Audience has decided.
I can't wait to get started.
It needs a lot. Only because, if you haven't noticed, it's very dirty. This is set under an acorn tree, an oak tree? Oak tree? Oaks, acorns.
Oakhorn.
Yeah, an oak tree. Thank you, sir.
Oakhorn tree.
For about 1.5 years. So it needs a really good cleaning. We're gonna find a detailer to partner with us on the detailing, but it needs brakes. It's gonna need tires. You know, a lot of that stuff from sitting. However, like I said in the preview video where we revealed it, it's got good bones. It's very clean underneath, no rust, runs great.
Interior looks great.
It just needs cleaning.
Yeah.
Leather interior, heated seats, so much room for activities.
So much fun.
First turbo build at Wingman.
All right. Well, I tell you what, great pick, guys. Outstanding. Can't wait to get started. Hey, we'll see you guys at the next build.
Camera one allows.
B-roll. Thank you, sir. Camera one. Thank you.
Which one?
Thank you, Sensei.
Right now.
Wingman,
Yeah.
Wingman.
Yes, they're going to see this.
rehearsed this.
Yeah. So you're good.
You're not the boss. He's the boss.
Apparently you guys picked